How to convert image to video in Grok Imagine AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply get Grok on your mobile device. After that, on the home screen, you would be able to find this option of create videos. Simply click on it. And here you get different images which were generated by AI by different people out there. You can either select any of the picture and convert it into a video. Like I created this image into this video quite easily, and if you want to convert this image into a video, simply select make video option, and this way you would be able to convert it into a video quite easily. But if you want to convert any image of your gallery into a video, then just simply select this option of plus with the gallery picture. Simply click on it, and here you get the option to choose any picture from your gallery, and after selecting it, you would be able to convert it into a video quite easily. Also, if you don't like any video and the video which was automatically generated by the Grok AI, you can also customize your video by clicking on this option and then clicking on this option of custom. Here you get the option to provide a prompt or your imagination. Simply provide it and a new video will be generated according to your imagination, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.